Need to allow pop-ups on Google Chrome so you can receive important alerts or download files? Here's the exact way to enable them in just a few clicks. First, open Google Chrome and click on the 3 vertical dots located in the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. Next, go to the left-hand menu and select Privacy and Security. On the right side, scroll down slightly and click on Site Settings. Once inside Site Settings, scroll down to the bottom under the Content section and click on Pop-ups and Redirects. Here, you will see the default behavior. Simply check the radio button next to Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects to enable them for all websites. If you want to allow on any specific website, you can do that as well by clicking on Add. If you've previously blocked specific websites, make sure to check the list under Not Allowed to Send Pop-ups or Use Redirects. If you find any site listed there that you want to unblock, just click the 3 vertical dots to its right and select Remove. If this quick browser setting helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more fast tech tutorials.